So here's how to fix how you can see the number of likes on any Instagram post. So if you head on over to your recommended page and then click on any one of these, like this one, you can see that I can see the number of likes. However, if yours doesn't, then basically the first thing you need to do is offload the app or clear all the cache on your Instagram app. So you want to press and hold on it and then go to app info. And then from here, you want to scroll down and then you want to go to storage usage. And then under that, it should have clear cache. So you want to click on clear cache. Now, if you go back onto Instagram, then that could be a potential fix to your problem. However, if that's still not working, then you want to go over to the 3 bars on the top right corner, go into settings and privacy. Now you want to scroll down and then go into help. Click on report a problem at the very top, report problem without shaking, include and continue, and then basically just tell Instagram exactly what you need them to help you with. So you say something like, hey Instagram, please show the number of likes on my post and other people's posts, thanks. Simply click on the send button and then Instagram's going to get back to you really soon and then help you fix that.